Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In previous session, we learned about how to place our indoor units, okay, and how to create the pipe segment, new pipe segment, okay, putting all the ID and OD. That one is very important. If you have not watched, then I request you that you watch that previous lecture and then come on this lecture, okay. So see, this is our Excel sheet which we did in heat load calculation, and we place our indoor unit accordingly. Here in one room there is 2 units, okay, on ground floor 2. So I divided this retail 4 into 2 parts. Here you can see this is 2 parts divided by 2, and we place 2 units, conceal 3 and 4, okay. This is conceal unit and this is the cassette unit. So I rename the indoor unit accordingly. Ground floor I am doing, and conceal unit, the unit name and number. This is 1 and same like 2 3 4, and cassette unit 1 and cassette unit 2. Only 2 cassette unit is I place because these 2 rooms are without ceiling, right? Now we will start to do the piping system, okay. So how I will do, I will show you. I will come annotate tab, detail line I am taking. You can select line style whatever, so no need. This is just an assumption. Suppose this is the OTS, okay, open to sky, OTS full form. So OTS, this one, our pipe, refrigerant and refrigerant pipe, liquid or gas, will come because outdoor unit is placed on the roof. So from there it will come through this OTS, and suppose it will come here, okay. After that it will go here. Remember that we will do 1 for separate for indoor and common areas for other outdoor unit, okay. So it will come from here. Create similar. I will take one Y branch from here, okay. Similarly one I will take from here like this, and same thing I will do this side. Same thing, check none. Okay, same thing I will do here. Just delete this one, and like this I will do, okay. Refrigerant pipe will come here, and one Y branch will be here, then it will come here, same, and other one will same, okay. And separate, let me show you also, and one will come for other like common areas. Here it will come here, here and here, okay. It will come here, one I will take here, one I will take from here, one I will take from here. Okay, I will connect from here, and also I will take from here to here, right? So this is separate for common areas and separate for the retail shop. I will do piping like this. Okay, so let's start without delay. Here the software is Daikin VRB I am using. You can use any software, any VRB software, just to size the pipe. Okay, after that you can choose the software which you are using our unit. Okay, whatever the unit you are using, like Trend, Toshiba, VRB, Midea. Okay, so any unit you are using, you can use their particular software, right? Because each company has their own software, so you have to use accordingly what the unit you are using, right? But for and all the software is similar to sizing the pipe and selecting the indoor unit, almost same. Okay, so no need to be worried, just learn one software and you can use any one, right? So no need to be confused on the software. This software is free of cost. You can Google it and download, register and download it from their Daikin software page. Okay, so no need to ask that please provide the software, because this software is free of cost. Okay, so see, this is the one, new, this is the new page. Project name, what? Save as it is showing here. Also here save exit, there is no any too much complicated. Here the unit, diagram, data input, advance. You can limit the maximum connection ratio. The connection ratio is indoor unit by outdoor unit is the connection ratio. You can limit it up to 100%, otherwise no need. Okay, come here. What the project name, what we are doing, mall. Client name, I do anything, ABC or whatever you can put. Reference, it is according to the companies that what is the reference for this project. I am just taking one. And the revision, first time I am doing, so no need to put the revision. And country India, you can select the project location here. The refrigerant is 410A. Okay, now I have to select the the indoor unit I have to put. Okay, this all indoor unit I have to put here. Let me sort this one, and here is the add indoor unit. So click here. Here name you have to put this name, indoor unit name. This is the reason I put here the indoor unit name. You can copy like this and paste here. Paste, simple. And room number, room, what room? This one, ground 01, retail 01. So I am just mentioning here retail 01. Okay, no need to put ground 01. That's it. And first what is the unit here, family unit. I have to select. See, this is the Conseil unit. So here is the a lot of unit name. As we discussed previous that we are using the Conseil unit. Also I rename the Conseil unit. So I will select the ducted unit medium, ESP. Okay, not a high static pressure, this is medium static pressure. And this dry bulb temperature is 24 degree for comfort region, we know, and the relative humidity is 50%. So this is fixed, no need to change. Only required total capacity I have to put here. What is this one? 4.8. Just select 4.8. And what is sensible required total? See here, 3.9. So you have to put 3.9. That's it. I'm not doing heating, so no need to put here heating. Okay, heating temperature for comfort region, we know that from 20 to 22. Okay, so no need to put because I'm not doing heating calculation. And you can make is add. Here it is add now. See, the airflow is not showing, it will show once I will close this tab. Okay, but I'm not doing. Let me enter all this one by one and show you. So let me show one other. Okay, another input for clear. Okay, see here the Conseil. So just copy this one, paste here. Now come, this is retail 2, also copy, paste here. This is here I am using the rounded flow cassette, here cassette. And what is the 3.7, next 2.9, and add. It is add here. Okay, now retail 03. So just copy retail 03, copy. What is 7.4, put here 7.4. Next 5.9. Okay, what is name? This is the Conseil 2. Okay, fine, add. Now next Conseil 3, copy Conseil 3, retail 3, 7.4, 5.9, right? 7.4, 5.9, 7.4, no, this one, retail 04, and mistake. What is Conseil? This Conseil 03, Conseil 02 I already put. Conseil 02, yes. Conseil 03, yes, same room number. So here 4.9. Retail 04 I have to put here, right? Round flow cassette, no, medium, because it is Conseil. And here's 4.8 and 3.85. Okay, fine. See, retail 04 have two unit. If I will not make A and B, then it will add this 4.8 and 4.8, and it will show 9 like total in one row. Okay, I don't want like this. I want that I am installing two units, so it should show separate. Okay, so just I will put here retail 04 and A and add here. Okay, Same retail 04, I can write retail 04. Okay, room number retail 04, and here this is same ground floor conceal 04, right? Same, and here you can write B and add. After that you can close. Then it is showing here retail 04A and B. So you don't want A and B, just cancel. Now you can cancel and it will not add. Okay, see, now it will not add. Retail 04, it is showing separate too. Okay, so now I'm adding all this one and show you. Okay, so see, I put all the ground floor indoor unit here. I put, this is the retail shop of ground floor, and this is the common areas. So I put all this ground floor indoor unit, right? Similarly you can put this first floor. This is the typical. Okay, so you can put like this. Here entrance lobby I use 3 cassette, so I divide this entrance lobby into 3 parts. Okay, and put all these 3 unit. This is cassette 3, cassette 4, cassette 5. Okay, all this one. Okay, this is the input. You can also check here. See, let me show you one thing. See, here the supply airflow is 231 liter per second for retail 01. Here this concealed one, how much airflow? If I am selecting this model, this FXSQ model I am selecting, then it is, the airflow is 267, and here airflow is 231 is required, and available is 267 liter per second. So it is more and fine, absolutely fine. Okay, you can also compare all this airflow as per the required airflow, and I noticed that all the airflow here is more compared to the required, so it is absolutely fine, right? Now indoor unit I already seen. Now next is outdoor unit I have to select. Okay, how much outdoor unit I required? I need only one outdoor unit. Okay, so outdoor unit ODU 01. You can select like this also, or you can rename ground floor ODU 01. It's depend on you. Okay, this is more clear. Ground floor ODU outdoor unit 1, right? Here no need to do anything, only this is ambient temperature 41.2 degree, which we put inside the hub. Okay, here you can maximum connection ratio, you can select how much maximum connection ratio you required. Okay, no need to select here anything, but I am taking only up to 100, right? Design heating I am not doing, only cooling. So cooling outdoor temperature is 41.2 degrees Celsius. Okay, one thing here you can do, the piping system, how much this position, which position you are doing. I am doing this position because outdoor unit is on the roof, and from the roof I am taking and connecting all the indoor unit. So this position is showing exactly what I am doing, so I select here this one. So how much maximum height as this position? Okay, from the roof and to the outdoor unit, indoor unit, how much height it is, you can measure here. This is our indoor unit. Okay, you can take any one. Suppose I am taking any one for this one. Come here, see, this is first floor which I am doing. Okay, I also place the first floor. Let me show you. This is ceiling, ground floor ceiling. This is ground floor ceiling. This is first floor ceiling. I already place. Similarly, as per the typical as for the ground, and the second ceiling I did not place. Okay, so this is ground floor. This is the one, right? So how much height from the roof? This is the roof. How much height it is? From here to here you can take 8744. Okay, here 12 meter. If I am taking from here up to the roof finishing floor, so it is almost, see, this one no required height required from the indoor unit to the roof. Okay, so how much it is from the ceiling, this false ceiling, if I am taking, and from the finishing floor level, it is almost 10 meters. Okay, you can take this one is no required, because you cannot put exactly height from the indoor unit to the roof. It should be some factor, some safety factor. Okay, so for safety factor I am measuring from the finishing this false ceiling to the roof. It is almost 10 meter. Okay, so you can put here 10 meter. Right, this is the outdoor unit. Now what I have to do, indoor unit, this indoor unit I have to also let me put another ODU for common areas, ground floor ODU 02, right? And similarly the piping is same, the height is almost same. Okay, this is two outdoor unit. First, if I double click, this is ODU for retail. So here all this showing. Okay, so how much indoor unit I required in this outdoor unit? Select from the travel agency, up to the travel agency, up to here, right? Entrance and corridor and lift is the common area, so I am placing different outdoor unit for this one. Now drag and put here ODU, select and fine. Okay, now similarly I will double click on this ODU2, and now next the remaining you can put and put. It means it is showing that outdoor unit, for this outdoor unit how many indoor unit is connected. Okay, so you can see like this, outdoor unit 2 is serving this this much indoor unit, and outdoor unit 1 is serving this much indoor unit. Okay, now let me save this project. I already saved this project. Okay, here just replace it. Okay, okay, fine. Next I have to do this piping, because this is generally this piping is showing on the basis of this indoor unit. Okay, but our piping is not like this. It is something like this. It is coming here, here, here. Okay, so here, here. So now video is long, so we will see in next video in the continuation. Okay, don't miss that one. That one is very important. Okay, you will learn in that one that how you have to correct this piping segments. Okay, so I hope you learn something from this video. If you learn, then please subscribe, and if you have doubt, then please comment below so that I can reply, and if possible then can make the videos. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.